Melon yao imeiva vizuri by the way. Oh my lord. Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all doing? What's up, beautiful people? I hope you are good. I am good as well. If it is your first time to be here, welcome to the family. Thank you so much for taking your time to watch my videos and my contents. In case you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed, please consider hitting that subscribe button. It really takes me a long way. Thank you so much. My voice is a little bit I don't know if this is hoarse or what, but it's because I have a flu. Yeah, that is why I'm sounding like that. Okay, so today I want us to go and review this place. A friend of mine, her daughter has a birthday party. How will I say it? My daughter's daughter, my friend's daughter has a birthday party and they invited me, and I want us to go and review that place. I hope I will get there on time because she has already called me and told me food is already over. But anyway, I really hope I'll get there on time and we will be able to review the place and see whether it is a nice place, it's a joint, a hotel, or rather a garden. So let's go and see whether it's a good place. I'll tell you about the food, whether I liked it, whether you can go and check it out. In the meantime, please subscribe, share, comment. Thank you so much for those who have subscribed. If you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. It's absolutely free and you will join the family. Let's go to the side again.
Flow. Flow.
We also have this beautiful
Area.
Ama huku ni no stepping zone. Tunafanya. Hizi ni nini nikuuliza?
Si za kuweka
Kwa
chairs.
meza?
Mm.
Oh. Wow. Ni kulamba?
Sana. Tasema niletwe huku sasa.
Unaenda huku lini?
Weekend. Pale panakaa DJ huu kama huku. Ngibili.
Ati DJ anakaa wapi?
Hapo.
Oh, anachapa nini?
I bet. Naona place ya laptop. Laptop hapo juu ama si yenyewe. I bet, eh. Nini? Mhm.
Ni kitchen.
Mm.
Oh, tusampulie. So what do you have there?
Fries. Very, very sweet.
Next. Next ni nini?
Beef.
Beef, eh? Beef zao ziko na piece bigi bigi.
Yeah.
Umenotice hivyo?
Yummy.
Uko sawa? Umekula fries? Nini hujakula?
Labda veggies.
Cabbage.
With some
Cucumber.
mayonnaise ama.
Wameweka mayonnaise. Oh, okay. That is nice.
They're also sweet.
This is my food. Suppose it's a tick, then beef. How is it? Yeah, beef yao iko sawa by the way. And fries.
Well,
But mimi hata siwangi fan wa fries. Kwani tunataka kunyesha?
baridi.
Melon yao imeiva vizuri by the way. Oh my lord.
Si maji maji pekee. Sweet.
Alafu unapatanga zingine zinakaa hazina taste, like ni tasteless. This one is very very okay.
Layout.
Bezi ya nyamchom. Hapa hata imefutika futika, imefutika futika.